When it comes to industrial drill presses, the G0779 2 horsepower Gearhead drill press is a heavy hitter with its massive 2 and 15/16 inch quill and 1 1/4 inch drilling capacity in steel. The geared head is equipped with a forward and reverse switch, and it features 6 spindle speeds from 90 to 1970 RPM with convenient quick change gearbox selector controls. Helping transfer that power to the workpiece is an R8 spindle taper to fit a wide range of arbor and chuck options. The G0779 features 10.5 inches of vertical head travel and a heavy-duty precision ground cast iron table that can travel 24 3/8 of an inch. And it tilts left and right 60 degrees. Not only does the table tilt, but the entire headstock also tilts 90 degrees left or right. Depending upon your machining operation, you could choose between traditional core speed or, with the twist of a selector knob, engage the fine downfeed hand wheel for slow, precise movements. To ensure you're ready to work, we've included a 1/2 inch drill chuck and R8 arbor, as well as an R8 to MT number 3 spindle sleeve and an MT number 3 to MT number 2 spindle sleeve, plus a drift key for easy tool removal. The G0779 Gearhead drill press has a lot to offer any shop looking to increase their runtime and productivity, all in one convenient floor model package. Check out the G0779 on Grizzly.com, and also be sure to check out our lineup of convenient mobile bases for your shop.